Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to use AI to fill out Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page where in the upper right corner we can get started signing up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just log in normally. So once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here, which is the main page where you can get started creating a new form if you do not already have one. If you have one, you can go and manage your recent forms from right here to get started. And now let's go and take a look at how you can use AI. Basically guys, once you create a new form, you can go ahead and click the plus button right here to get started. It's going to go ahead and create an untitled form. You can go ahead and manage, give it a description and so on. And basically right here at the top of the page, you can see AI if you're available for it. Not all countries have AI available. Some like mine guys are not yet implemented, so you're not going to be able to use AI from your country and you cannot see the option for AI. But if you're in a country that supports it, it's going to look like this. You can use the Google Gemini to get started. Basically, once you open up the new form, at the top of the form is going to see, as you can see, say help me create a form, in which you can type out what you want to do. So you can go ahead and tell it what kind of form you want. Once you tell it, it's going to go ahead and create your form and give you your questions automatically generated by their AI that you can then use for creating your form, applying it to your form and so on. So if you have the AI available, you'll be able to use it. If not, you cannot see it right here. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.